This is delicious, silky smooth, homemade caramel. You can use it for so many things in baking and cake decorating, and it's very easy to make. You don't need any fancy ingredients or fancy tools. I'm going to show you how to make this. Now, the full list of the ingredients you need is in the description section, so check it out. You're also going to need a medium-sized pan to make your caramel. So put your stove on medium heat, pour your white sugar into the bowl, and we are going to allow the sugar to gently melt. Make sure it's on medium heat and keep stirring regularly, and you'll start to see that the sugar will start to melt, it'll start to clump together, and it'll start to form an amber brown colored like substance. So here you can see it's clumping together and it will soon start to melt. So make sure you just keep stirring it. There we go. You can see it's starting to melt and nearly melted, just a few lumps left, but that will melt. Now make sure you stand by your pot and don't take your eyes off it. Next, you're going to put your butter into the mixture. Be careful, it's going to froth up when you put the butter. So make sure that you don't get burnt by the hot syrup because this mixture is very hot. Wear protective gloves if needed. Stir continuously until the butter melts into the sugar and it's fully incorporated. So there we have it. The butter's nicely melted into the sugar mixture and it's now a little bit thicker than it looked like when it was just the sugar syrup. Now, if you're at this stage, your caramel is not looking like this, look at the troubleshooting guides and I will show you exactly what you need to do to fix it if your butter is not combining with your sugar. Next, slowly pour in the cream into the mixture. Again, it's going to froth up, so be careful. You don't want to have any splatters on your skin. So mix and then add bit by bit the rest of the caramel and give it a nice good stir until all the cream is combined into the caramel. So keep on mixing. Once you've added the rest of the cream, mix together for about a minute and then turn the heat off of your stove. I hope that you're watching this video. If you're not a subscriber, then you're missing out on lots of great cake videos. So be sure to click the notification button. It's flashing right there at the bottom of your screen. Subscribe and turn on all the notification button. Okay, back to our caramel. So now you can see all nicely combined and it's ready. If you want to make salted caramel, at this stage you can add your salt. I will put the quantities in the description section. One advice I will say to you is start with a little bit of salt and then adjust based on your taste. You don't want to add too much salt, and it's easier to add a little bit more if you've not really got the right type of saltiness that you are looking for. And there you have it. That is how you make your salted caramel. Now I know at this stage you're thinking, oh, it looks a little bit watery, doesn't look thick like caramel. Don't worry, it is going to thicken up as it cools. So just leave for a while until it cools down and then you'll see that it's nice and thick. So you can pour this into a jar, store in an airtight jar, and it will keep in your fridge for up to a month, and you can freeze it safely for 3 months. And when you want to use it, just take it out and just warm it slightly in the microwave, and it's ready to use for all your cake delights. You can use it as a topping on the top of your cakes and your baked goods. You can use it in the middle. The list is endless. Happy baking!